Welcome me back to Auto Vehicles channel. Meet the 2025 Renault Captur compact SUV that blends style, performance, and technology. With its updated design, the Captur looks sharper and more modern than ever. The bold front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a confident presence on the road. The white color adds a touch of elegance, making it stand out in any setting. Open the door and step inside a cabin that feels smart and refined. You'll find a large digital instrument cluster and a new high-resolution touchscreen. The layout is clean, the controls are intuitive, and the materials feel premium. There's plenty of room for passengers and enough boot space for your daily needs or weekend adventures. When it comes to driving, the Captur gives you choices. You can go with the efficient TCE 90 petrol engine or choose the E-Tech full hybrid system, which combines electric and petrol power for a smooth, quiet, and fuel-efficient ride. The hybrid version is perfect for city driving with zero-emission capability at low speed. Safety and tech are key strengths of the new Captur. It comes with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear view camera. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you stay connected and in control on every journey. The 2025 Renault Captur is designed for drivers who want more than just a car. It's stylish, smart, efficient, and ready for the road ahead. Whether you're heading to work, picking up the kids, or going out of town, the Captur delivers comfort, confidence, and convenience every time. Let me know if you want a background music suggestion or visuals to match.